Can just one spoon of the seed paste really protect your muscles after 60? You might be surprised, but thousands of seniors use it every day. And in this video, I'll show you exactly why it works. Welcome back, and if you're new here, I'm so glad you found this channel. Because if you're over 60 and feel like you're losing strength, you're not imagining things. Even if you eat well and stay active, your muscles naturally shrink as you age. You stand up slower, you tire more quickly. And those little things, like lifting groceries or going upstairs, suddenly feel harder. I've been there too. And like many others, I started looking for something simple that could help. That's when I discovered this creamy seed paste, and what it can do for aging muscles completely changed the game for me. Here's something most people don't realize. After 60, you can lose up to 3 to 8% of your muscle mass every decade, even faster if you're not getting the right nutrients. And once muscle loss starts, it doesn't just affect your strength, it affects your balance, energy, and even your independence. In fact, studies show that low muscle mass in seniors is directly linked to a higher risk of falls, illness, and even early mortality. So why should you keep watching? Because if you're over 60, your muscles need more than just movement. They need the right kind of nutrition to stay strong. And today's food isn't always enough. But this one creamy seed paste might be the missing link. If you want to stay active, avoid injuries, and protect your strength, you'll want to see how tahini can help you do exactly that. What is tahini? Let's start with the basics. Tahini is a creamy paste made from ground sesame seeds. You've probably seen it in hummus or Mediterranean dishes. But tahini isn't just tasty. It's packed with nutrients your muscles love. It's rich in plant-based protein, which helps rebuild and maintain muscle tissue. Calcium, essential for strong bones and muscle contraction. Magnesium, which supports muscle recovery and prevents cramps. Healthy fats, to reduce inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. And the best part? Just 1 tablespoon a day can give your body a powerful boost. Especially if you're over 60 and trying to stay strong. The big mistake most seniors make with tahini. Now here's the catch. Many seniors buy tahini and never use it. It just sits in the fridge. Why? Because they're not sure how to use it, or they try it once and think, this tastes different. The truth is, tahini has a strong nutty flavor. And if you eat it plain, it might feel bitter or too thick. But the mistake isn't the flavor. The real mistake? Giving up too soon. Because with one simple trick, you can make tahini delicious, even crave-worthy. And I'll show you how in the next part, how to use tahini for muscle health without hating the taste. Here's the easiest way to start. Mix 1 spoon of tahini with a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of salt. Stir it until it becomes smooth and creamy. This simple combo balances the bitter notes and turns tahini into a tasty spread or dressing. You can drizzle it over steamed vegetables. Use it as a dip for carrots or cucumbers. Add it to your morning toast instead of butter. Or mix it into a smoothie for a nutty, creamy texture. And the best part? Just 1 spoon a day can give your body the healthy fats, calcium, and amino acids it needs to protect your muscles. Naturally. Still not convinced? Let me show you why tahini works so well, especially after 60. Why is tahini so powerful after 60? As we age, our body naturally starts to lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. It begins quietly around age 50, but after 60, the loss speeds up. And here's what makes it worse. Many seniors don't eat enough high-quality protein and minerals to support their muscles. That's where tahini comes in. The plant-based protein helps rebuild muscle fibers without needing meat or protein powders. The calcium supports both bones and muscles, reducing your fall risk. The magnesium improves muscle function and recovery, especially after movement or exercise. And the healthy fats reduce inflammation, which is often overlooked in muscle loss. So if you're over 60, just 1 spoon of tahini a day can help fill in the nutritional gaps and give your muscles the tools they need to stay strong. What to look for when buying tahini? Not all tahini is created equal. And if you buy the wrong one, you might end up with a bitter paste that ruins your experience. Here's what to look for. Ingredients. Always check the label. A good tahini has only one ingredient, 100% sesame seeds. No added oils, sugars, or preservatives. Texture. Look for a tahini that's smooth and pourable, not dry or chunky. Natural oil separation is normal. Just stir it before use. Color. Lighter tahini from hulled sesame seeds usually has a milder, creamier flavor. Perfect for beginners. Darker tahini has a stronger, nuttier taste. Great for experienced users. Organic, optional. If possible, choose organic tahini for better purity and fewer chemicals. Especially important if you're using it daily. Where to buy tahini? You can find tahini in most grocery stores, usually in the international or health food aisle. Health food stores like Whole Foods. Online. Try Amazon or Thrive Market for trusted brands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, so you never miss a simple tip to protect your muscles and stay strong after 60. And tell me in the comments, have you ever tried tahini? Or are you going to give it a shot after watching this? Staying strong after 60 doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's just about adding the right foods, one spoon at a time. So if you're ready to protect your muscles and feel stronger every day, start with this one. Simple habit. And remember, it's never too late to rebuild your strength. And it starts in your kitchen. If this video helped you and you'd like to support the channel, you can now leave a super thanks below. Every bit helps me keep creating helpful videos for you.